The alphabet for today is M, related to formation of inverted U curve. So let us start. And after making a curve, you will come as slant line down, go up on the same line, make one more inverted U curve and come down again. Then go up again on the same line, make one more inverted U and come down again, and pull out a tape. Distance between the U curves is almost equal. Kindly ensure that you're not making one gap bigger and the other one smaller. So this has to be avoided. So we are going to make 4 such consecutive M. All the 3 inverted U should be of same height, even on the top and even on the bottom. When you're ending the M, many times students or most of us make a curve here. So this kind of pattern has to be avoided. M in this fashion. So this is neither print nor cursive, it has no connectivity, so this needs to be avoided. We are going to make 4 such patterns. So you'll make M once more, or you can say 4 times. This kind of loops have to be avoided while making the letter M. Oops. Secondly, one flaw observed with most of the students is they gradually decrease the level of the inverted U curve. So this has to be avoided. All 3 curves have to be at the same height, even on the top and even on the bottom. Many students might have an artistic way of writing M, wherein they will have a pointed appearance on the top. So even this is good to go with, wherein they have this pointed appearance in most of their letters. If you are making a straight M, you will come down as straight line. To make a slant M, you are going to come down as back slant. So you can observe the difference yourself, that this is going to give a slant appearance, and all 3 lines should be parallel. That it's not so that one line is like this, then the another one is like this and like this. So all these kind of formations have to be avoided.
That's all for today. To watch the videos in series, kindly like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, happy writing!